a fragrance that I've really been hyped to get. I've actually smelled it, and that day I went to the mall. I smelled a bunch of fragrances, but that particular clip actually did not make the final cut of the video. And I was actually blown away by it, man. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. So I went ahead and purchased it. I want to see if I still have the same reaction and feeling that I had that particular day. That day I smelled a lot, man. Nose could have been deceiving me. But let's see what we got, guys. Right, right. This time, let's get that box out of the way. Hey, man. That good old Tonka Cola, man. I've been so hyped to get this, guys. So yeah, guys, today we are talking about Tonka Cola. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. If you've seen one Mancera presentation, you've basically seen them all, guys. But guys, before we get started, please hit that like, that share, and subscribe button for your boy. It really does help the channel continue to grow. Oh, and salute to y'all, man. Y'all have been showing me mad love, and I really do appreciate that. More than you'll ever know, man. I really do. All the comments, the views, the positive energy, it really does motivate me to keep going. So guys, shout out to you guys, man. You guys have been wonderful to me, man. You really have. But yeah, let's get this unboxed, guys. And actually, this is going to be my first 60 ml Mancera, typical gold Mancera bag that you get with most of your Manceras. Wow, look at that little thing, man. I kind of like the smaller bottle over the big bottle. Wow, I think I think these will stack very nicely. The little small bottles, it's nice, man. That is really nice. So let's dive right into this, guys. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. Oh my God. Guys, if you've been on the fence about Tonka Cola, man, give it a shot, man. You might just be blown away by this. Because I know what I was when I smelled it inside of Neiman's that day. Let's go ahead and get this on skin. I'm not going to do the tester strip thing. We're gonna raw dog it today, guys. So let's get right into it. Let's do 3 sprays. Feeling frisky. In the air, guys. This is beautiful. Guys, some people like to compare this to Enigma. It's his own thing, but I can see the comparison. Honestly, guys, I prefer this over Enigma. I absolutely prefer this over Enigma, man. This smell is beautiful, guys. In my opinion, this is better than Enigma, guys. It is what it is. It's just something about this, guys, that just has this wow factor. Now, I will say Enigma is more of a grown up vibe, but overall, what smells better? Tonka Cola smells better than me. If you want to compare the two. Now, they have 2 different vibes, but people, at the end of the day, they do compare this. I'm not saying they smell the same. They have similar qualities, but they have enough different qualities that make these 2 different things, man. I think this is better than Enigma, man. This is good. This brings a smile to my face. This is a beautiful fragrance, guys. Beautiful. You get this beautiful cherry coat. Like when you first open up that cherry coat, that initial smell, that initial pop, you get that, guys. That is there, that sweetness. But you have like this this ever so beautiful, like lemon, this like, excuse me, this like lemon freshness that is just ever so smoothly wrapped around that cola, man. I believe the lemon is what makes this really pop. The lemon adds this touch to it that is just like, that I believe separates this from Enigma, man. Wow. Tonka Cola. This is really good, guys. I don't think I'm just hyping something up, guys. Get your nose on this. You might be blown away by this, guys. This is a good one. I gotta spray it again, man. This is really good. That cherry, that cola, that lemon. It's just like this. Picture this, guys. You pop that cherry Coke open, pour it into a glass. You take a lemon. I don't know if you want to squeeze the lemon in it or you want to sit the lemon on the glass, but it is exactly like that, guys. To me, that lemon stands out very, very nicely. That lemon is what gives this that extra, just that subtle difference of that lemon just makes this pop very nicely. This is beautiful, man. I honestly wish I got the big bottle now, but this is enough for me. I have about 20 Manceras. I'll probably never go through this. This is good, guys. Have you guys tried this one, man? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. You think I'm overreacting? Because to me, this is every bit of a 9. This is one of the best from Mancera's, hand down. This is a top 5 from the house for me. This is in the top 5, guys. This is one of the best Mancera's ever created. Hey, man, that's the verdict on this, man. This gets a 9 from me, man. This is killer juice right here. This is worth the price tag. I know this is a little bit higher than maybe your typical Mancera, but not by much. I think I got the smaller bottle for $85, but I could have got the 100 ml for exactly $15 more. But I just went ahead and say the $15. I know I will probably never completely run through this whole bottle. This is a banger, man. Banger, guys. Banger. If you have not tried this, get your nose on this, guys. But yeah, that's going to do it for me today, guys. Stay tuned to the channel. I got some great things planned ahead. But guys, stay tuned. I got you guys. On that note, guys, before we head out, please smash that like button and smash the subscribe button for me if you have not already, guys. Come on, guys. What you guys waiting for, man? Hey, I seen the statistics. A lot of y'all watching are not subscribed. Please show your boy some love and just hit that subscribe button for me. I'm going to keep coming. I'm going to keep trying to bring you guys here. I'm going to keep trying to be different. I'm just going to keep bringing it, guys. As long as you guys keep bringing the love my way, I'm going to bring the love your way. And that's a fact. But on that note, guys, enjoy the rest of you guys' weekend. Peace and blessings to you and yours, guys. Peace.